This is Remy Storm Spider at your news live, and I noticed my face might be covered in chocolate. My eardrums. It is currently 86 degrees outside, high of 87 and a low of 72. It's raining, as you can tell. This is a very special day. Obviously, you heard it's a thunderstorm outside. Yeah, that was really loud. That was like 3 miles away. So from now to 2:30, and then even more storms. Literally, like the storms are gonna last to 9 p.m. tonight. I don't exactly want to sleep to lightning every 3 miles away. Not gonna be fun. But this is pretty crazy. And one more thing, 50-mile-an-hour gusts. Right now, if I had to estimate, it would probably be like, don't go be loud. I have really sensitive eardrums, as you can. Okay, that wasn't that bad. I have really sensitive eardrums, so anything like lightning will destroy my ears. At least, yeah. 50-mile-an-hour gusts is a lot. So stay safe. I recommend staying inside as well. I don't exactly want any of you guys to be struck by lightning. So just stay inside and maybe not use electronics. It's recommended. Anyways, now remember, weather never sleeps. And stay weather aware. What a convenience this storm was, because we were about to go to the grocery store. What a convenience. Oh, it's convenient.